I'm back, alright? Let's get it. Um, my fidget, right? This one right here, y'all know this one. But I just did a video. I just got this fidget spinner today. This fidget spinner today. I know y'all see that joint. Watch my video today. Me and my gang is doing a video. Let's get it. Like, something else. Like, whoever don't play GTA, get up out of here. Get out my YouTube. Like, y'all saying PS4 is trash. Like, Xbox 360 is trash. Xbox One is trash, boy. Don't stop talking. Y'all always on people nuts, bro. Y'all always on people nuts at. Like, stop hopping. Hop off. Boy, hop off my nuts, bro. Hop off. Hop. Just hop off. Hop off. Hop the heck off, bro. Hop off. Freak you talking to, bro? Like, hop off. Look at my fidget. Look at my fidget. Look at my fidget. Y'all niggas can't afford this. Y'all niggas can't afford this. Para que bosses, para que tá para que cores. See? This joint don't even stop. That's how you know this joint is real, boy. Stop talking. Let's get it, man. Y'all, give me 1,000 subscribers. Don't not wait. I'm not waiting. I'm betting. No, 20 subscribers. Don't not give me 40 subscribers. Give me 20. 20. Because I got 25 subscribers. But not K. I want 20K subscribers. Yes. Get it. Right? And 20,000 views. Y'all be giving all these people subscribers, a lot of subscribers. Why you don't do that to me, boy? I be saying, Cap God is trash. Boy, I'm not trash, so stop talking. There's another boy named Cap, but I don't know. I know him. He another Cap game. But I'm not a Cap of his game. I'm in another Cap game. Cap God, too. And then I got the symbol on my YouTube, that red thing. It says, let me see what it says. It says, like, let me think real fast, guys. I got it, guys. But how you go live streaming though? They're not playing. Like, this thing need to fly. This thing need to actually fly. Yeah. Let's get it. You see this black stuff right there? This is the real one. This is the metal one. It got metal all over it. So, why you saying my name? Why you saying my name? Say Cap. Say Cap. Stop saying Darren. Oh, sorry. That's not my real name. So, alright. Huh? Call me Cap. Don't call me Darren. Call me Cap. Because you see me on YouTube. Like, do not tell the whole property, my whole name. Like, hold on, YouTube. Let's get it. Look at me. Let's get it. Hold on, I'll be back. I'm watching. Let's get it. Get it to 200 points, alright? Let's get it. Alright, peace. So don't forget to subscribe.